Hello everyone, hopefully you guys are having a blessed Saturday. I'm here in the city of Riverside. Came to do a physical inspection on these units. Came to do a physical inspection on this property that we just recently got into escrow. And also had the termite inspection done. And also I did my visual inspection as an agent. It's very important to do these inspections even if the property is being bought as is, because that way the buyer has peace of mind. You as a buyer know exactly what you're getting yourself into, what's priority, and if you're not buying it as is, and there's room to negotiate, either a credit or have the seller do some repairs. So it's very important to do a home inspection on a property as soon as your offer gets accepted. Most of these inspections, the physical inspection, can be anywhere from like $400 to $500 depending on the, if it's a single family residence or if it's units, depending on the square footage. So if you guys have any questions about real estate, you can contact me at area code 323 number 944 6544. Thank you guys.